Hi students, welcome to all of you in today's class. Today I have taken a problem from algebra. From equation I have taken a problem and question is given this way. The sum of two numbers is 16. Two numbers we have to find out. Their sum should be 16 and the sum of their squares means that two numbers we have to find out the sum of the squares of that two numbers should be 130. Then find the numbers. That two numbers we have to find out. Let's see in solution. Let the first number be, let the first number be x. Then second number be how much? Let's see an example. Suppose first number is one number is given 4 and here second number we don't know and the sum of two numbers are given suppose 15. Then how to find out the second number? This second number will be how much? This 15 minus 4 means 11. Same way we have to write down first number I have let here x and the sum of two numbers are given 16. Then what will be the second number? So first number is be x, then second number will be how much? 16 minus x. Same way first number I have let here x, second number we don't know and the sum of these two numbers are 16. So this second number will be how much? 16 minus x. After that from question or according to question we can write down according to question what is saying in question and the sum of their squares means our first number is x and second number is 16 minus x means x square plus the sum of the squares of the numbers means first number is x, then the square of x will be x square and second number is 16 minus x, its square equal to how much? 130. We have made here equation. Now we have to solve this. Let's see here equation we are solving. So here must be or it will be x square plus. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square and a minus b whole square equal to how much? A square minus 2ab plus b square. We have to write down. Let's see. Instead of a we have 16 and instead of b we have x. So we have to write down in the form of a minus b whole square. Let's see. 16 square means a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 130. Now it will be x square plus x square will be 2x square and 16 square, that means 256 minus 16 2 ja 32x minus 130 equal to 0 or 2x square minus 32x 130 and 256. Then 256 minus 130 we have to do. So 6 and 2 120 is it will be plus 126 equal to 0 or let's take here 2 common, it will be x square minus 16x plus 2 common, so 63 equal to 0 or it will be x square minus 16x plus 63 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this. After this we have to do factorization means first term and last term. It will be 63x square. So 63x square, its factor will be how much? Let's do this way. 63 So 63 will be 3, 21, again 3, then 7. Means the factor of 63 will be how much? One will be 3 into 21, another will be 3 3 ja 9 and 7, and third will be 63 into 1. We have three factors of 63. Now let's see which factor is suitable here. So here plus we have, it is not matching. This 21 3 ja 21 and 3 will be 24. It is not matching. Here we have to bring how much? 16 only. And 63 into 1 is also not matching. So these two factors are not suitable for this question. So 9 and 7. 9 7 ja 63 and 9 and 7 16. So this factor is suitable, 9 and 7. So here x square minus 9x minus 7x plus 63 equal to 0. Now I am rubbing these sides. Now after this line I have written here, let's take common in these two terms and in these two terms. It will be x square minus here we have to take common. It will be x is common, so x minus 9 left, minus 7 common, so x minus 9 left equal to 0. Now x minus 9 is common, x minus 9 and left how much? 1, x minus 7 equal to 0. Now either this x minus 9 equal to 0 and x minus 7 equal to 0. X minus 9 equal to 0 means x equal to 9, or x minus 7 equal to 0 means x equal to 7. Here two numbers we have got. The value of x we have got 9 and 7. We have got two values. If first number is 9, then second number will be 7. And if first number is 7, then second number will be 9. So we should write down here. Hence the required numbers. Hence the required numbers are 9 and 7. Answer. I think you have understood it. Thank you for watching.